start again. It's a rich thing.
Today we will introduce you to the most impressive and incredible machine in the world, which you have definitely not seen before. Are you ready? Here comes the CNC milling machine. These machines shape materials by receiving digital commands. By carefully processing every millimeter of the part, he achieves perfect results. Moreover, it minimizes human error and speeds up the production process incredibly. Friends, do you know what a laser cutting machine is? These machines can cut metal, wood, plastic, and many other materials with incredible precision using high-powered laser beams. Working with blazing speed and exquisite accuracy, it has revolutionized manufacturing processes in the industry. I will introduce you to the star of the future fabrication world, Dual Robot Welding Machine. This marvel of technology revolutionizes industrial production, and you won't believe your eyes. Let's take a look at the details of this amazing machine together. These machines transform computer design models into real life by building them layer by layer. These devices, which can produce almost anything using various materials such as metal, plastic, and ceramics, are considered the production technology of the future. This machine is a technological marvel that completely changes packaging processes by providing speed and efficiency in production lines. These machines enable you to save both time and labor by packaging your products quickly, safely, and error-free. These machines produce almost all kinds of plastic products by injecting molten plastic raw material into molds. The plastic injection molding machine starts by melting the granulated plastic raw material at high temperature. The melted plastic is deposited in the injection unit and then injected into the molds under high pressure. The plastic in the mold cools rapidly, solidifies, and takes the desired shape. This process takes place with millimetric precision and incredible speed. Sheet metal bending machines bend metal sheets using powerful hydraulic or mechanical systems. The sheet is placed on the bending die and the upper die moves downwards with a certain pressure, bending the sheet at the desired angle. This process allows us to obtain both precise and strong bends. These machines combine lithium-ion cells to produce high-performance battery modules. Electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and many portable devices operate thanks to these battery modules. Let's discover how this technology works. CNC lathes work using computer-aided design files. These files control the cutting edges of the machine and process the material as desired. During the turning process, the cutting edge remains stationary while the material rotates, resulting in extremely precise and smooth surfaces. The machine delivers perfect results by processing every detail with millimetric accuracy. Automatic welding machines perform welding operations using a programmable control system. Once the parts to be welded are placed, the machine automatically positions the welding torch and starts the welding process. These machines, which can use various welding techniques such as laser, plasma, or laser, provide excellent results on all types of metal. Moreover, thanks to high precision and speed, production processes become incredibly efficient. This machine adds a whole new dimension to production processes by shaping plastic sheets with incredible details. Vacuum forming machines first soften the plastic sheet with the help of a heater. The heated plate is placed on a mold and then vacuum is applied, allowing the plate to take the shape of the mold. This process is carried out with millimetric precision and perfect results are achieved every time. Finally, the shaped plastic sheet is cooled and removed from the mold, making it ready for use. Shredder machines cut and shred materials using powerful blades and rotors. The material is placed in the machine's inlet hopper and then broken into small pieces by rotating blades or rotors. During this process, The machine works with incredible power and efficiency, quickly processing all kinds of materials. Shredded materials are ready for recycling or disposal. Digital textile printing machines print the designs taken from digital files onto the fabric using special inks. First, the design is prepared on the computer and transferred to the machine. The fabric is then placed on the print bed of the machine and the printing process begins. High-resolution print heads transfer ink directly to the fabric, perfectly reflecting every detail. This process is carried out quickly and effectively.